That was really great. That was the Altoona Chorus. Thank you so much, the Altoona Chorus, for doing that for us. And if you are a singer, the Altoona Chorus is always looking for more singers, so you can check them out under the Altoona Chorus.
Yeah,
on Facebook?
On Facebook.
On Facebook.
The Altoona Chorus on Facebook. I had the pleasure of being there, and they're absolutely amazing.
They're
Such
really
great
into it, too.
energy.
There's a lot of energy in that.
Yes.
Yes.
And the facial expressions, the blending. So they're part of the Sweet Adelines International.
Oh, neat.
Which is all about perpetuating barbershop singing.
Awesome.
So cool.
Really cool.
Yeah,
Sounded really
great.
great. I really love our Sounds of the Season.
Me too.
I think it's really